Okay. BTW Pro ear gels comes with medium size earbuds from the factory, but every ear has a different size. So maybe in your ear, medium will fit fine. In some other ear, maybe the small looks like this. Small will fit fine. Or in some other ears, large will fit fine. So there are three kinds of ear gel which comes in the box in this packet, which is inside this box here. So if you remove this, and you will find this packet. So in this packet, you will have two ear gels, which is small and large. Medium comes fitted on the earbuds. So you choose the one which is good for your ear. And you also follow our video how you will put this earbud in your ear at 45 degrees. So please make sure that you follow the videos listed on Blaupunkt YouTube channel to check which ear gel fits your ear and how do you fit in your ear for stable positioning.